Today I want to show you how to work with a pen tool. So this is the pen tool right here, this little thing. And if you want to get to it quickly, click on the letter P and you've got the pen tool. Another thing you can do that's kind of cool is if you mouse down and click on this little arrow, you can tear this out. So that also helps you. It's a good thing to know about. Your settings are probably going to be set to a fill of white and a stroke of black. So go to your fill, change it to no fill. Make sure your stroke is set on black and change your stroke to 3 points. So I'm going to zoom in here, and to get started, first thing you need to notice is with the pen tool, if you're starting and making a brand new path, which I'm about to do right here, you want to make sure that this is, the pen tool is set to, sorry, my brain is not working right now. You want to make sure, actually, before you get started, that you are working in your layers palette on layer 24, which is under basic shapes. So if yours looks like this, click on the arrow by basic shapes, click on layer 24. Otherwise, you'll notice, like if I just have it like this, well, it will let me do it, but some of the layers are locked. So just make sure you're working on the right layer. So layer 24. So what I'm going to do is when I click on this, you're going to notice I have a little asterisk. So when I click, I've just started creating a path. So the asterisk went away, and every single time, and by the way, I'm not mousing down, I'm just clicking. And mouse down is when you hold the mouse as you're moving. I'm clicking every single time the path changes direction. Now, why is it looking weird like that? Because I just noticed that for some reason my fill went back to this. So I'm going to change this again to a fill of nothing and a stroke of black. I don't know why it changed that. And I'm also going to change my stroke to 3 points again. Why it didn't do that, I don't know. And I'm going to come back here. And if I happen to go away, have a cup of coffee, I use some other tools, this path is no longer the active path. So if I try to click, I'm going to make a new path. So what I'm going to do instead is come over here, and you see if I hover over, I get a little slash. That means if I click, this path is now reactivated. So when I keep going, and it's a dead giveaway. If this remains selected, then you're still working on it. Just keep clicking. And when you come back up here, look for the little circle. The circle is the illustrator's way of saying if you click again, you're closing the path and making an object. There it is. Okay. So I don't think I need to show you how to do all these. I'll just show you the W. Once you have that done, you're going to come down here and take the W and the H and all the letters actually, and using just simple straight lines to outline them the way I'm showing you. Just let's get used to using the path tool, or the pen tool rather, and again, making closed shapes. So that's that one. And the only thing you're going to notice is if I come over here right now, see how I get, it's hard to see unless I zoom in, which this computer won't let me do. I'm going to activate this previous path if I click here. So I'm going to start down here this time. We'll discuss other ways of doing this. So let me show you what happens. Because I'm now working with this active path, when I come over here from this direction, it's okay. It doesn't interact with the other path. So goals is to outline every single letter using the pen tool, just like I showed you. So that is the first exercise on this sheet.